Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Isee hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
My sexy bad girl, yeah. My sexy bad girl, yeah. You, let's go. Yeah. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Yeah, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. See, give it to me now. Mommy, move slow. You know how the thing go. I'm not a bingo. You put me in a limbo. You got all the things that I really wanna get. You fine, you good, and you really set. And I got all the cash, so I really wanna spend. Stand up on the wall, make a chitty bang. I know you dead. I will place on my bed. Anywhere you wanna go, we will fly in a jet. Slow down, girl, let me break it down. From town to town, I they ask around for the baddest girl that hold it down. Then they point to you, say that you hold the crowd. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Slow down, girl, do slow motion. Skin smooth, use good lotion. Body so hot, I take caution. In the club, girl, you be causing commotion. Don't slow down, don't make me hold on. Cause my love is bigger than the ocean. Whine it, girl, with your sexy crazy waist. I really can't wait to have a taste. You're the one and only girl that can cure my craze. Haste, wait, show your figure with that booty, girl. I can't relate, let me rock you, girl, cause I will not hesitate. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we will be talking about this unit here. So this is actually a body wave unit. I know it looks more on the straight side because I did blow it out and then I like ran the flat irons through it a little bit, but that's just because I wanted to go for like more of a natural everyday-esque type of look. Mainly because like I usually don't like to do like 14-inch because I don't know, I feel like it always has like that awkward type of look to it, if you guys know what I mean. Please comment down below if you know what I mean. Like I either go like from 10 or to 16 because I just feel like, I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the quality of the hair and everything. So once again, I do have the body wave texture. It is in 14 inches. This is their 13x4 lace front. I did install it like a closure because I knew I wasn't going to style this part. There's no point for me to install it, but you do you know, everybody has their own way of doing things. But yeah, as far as the hair quality, I really do like it. I did get minimal shedding and tangling when I did wash the unit. It does have a beautiful wave pattern, so you can actually wear it with that wave pattern if you want to. For me personally, I don't know, I wanted to do like a semi heat style, so that's why I went ahead and blew it out and then just briefly ran the flat iron through it because like I said, I was trying to go for a more natural look because I feel like this is just a really awkward length, and then I also didn't want to invest the time into like cutting it or anything like that. So I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna go for it to get it to look as natural as possible. But as far as the hair quality is nice. I have worked with Isee in the past and they always have good hair quality. That's what I love about these good repeat companies that I continue to work with, because they just have like really nice quality hair. So if that's something that you're looking for, you can definitely do that. You don't have to get this length either. They do have other lengths. But this is just the one that they selected for me to create a video with. But yeah, overall I do like it. It did come pre-plucked. The hairline looks really good. I do really like it. I didn't have to do anything at all, which was really good. I didn't add any powder in the parting space, which I probably should, but I'm being lazy today. But yeah, overall the hair quality is really nice. Regular, minimal shedding and tangling. It's just a bob. Like, I feel like there's not too much to say about a bob. And yeah, I like it. I think it's really good quality hair. I love the density on it. I love the fact that it's not too full and then it's not too thin either. It's just right there, you know, at that happy medium of being enough hair. So yeah, overall, would I recommend this unit? Definitely. It is really nice, and yeah, I just really love the quality. I love the fact that it does come pre-plucked and it looks really good. So I would definitely recommend it. And like I said, if you're like me and you don't really like this length too much, you can go with another length. And this unit is also very affordable. I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out if you are interested. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you fabulous divas, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.